All right, good evening. We have two questions to tackle. We have this. So this is the instruction. Draw the orthographic projection following the engineering block, and then you draw whatever. So the main thing now is we should use our preferred scale and the dimension. So let's just use this actual dimension and scale. So but it was not stated on what angle to use. So I'll be using the first angle projection. So this is the arrangement for the first angle projection. We have the front view here. Let me represent it by F. And then we have the side view here. And then we have the plan here. The plan P. So you already know the arrangement. So now the next thing I will have to show you guys is what you have to be seeing. The important things, the important details you have to see. So these are the important details: the side, front, and plan. So let's start with the front. How do we identify the front of a diagram? This is how you identify the front of a diagram. This arrow here, that is how you identify the front of a diagram. And also so let's look at the front. So what this orthographic test is how you can view engineering drawings. That is the test. So if you are standing here at this front, what are the details you will be seeing? That is the question. So let's look at this. If you stand here and neglect every other view, it means you will see this. Don't mind my handwriting. You would see this block, this box here. So you are going to draw this. This is what you will see. You will see this box. Look at it. You'll see this. Then what are you going to see again? You'll see this on top, this other box too. You're going to see it. So it is going to be like this, something like this, and then also something like this. Not correct. You're also going to see this part. So this part here will look like something like this. So this line here, I will have to erase it. Can I erase it? Yes, I can. Alright, wait, I will have to draw it back. So this line from here, it will have to go like this. So we have this. So this is not everything you are going to be seeing from this side. You are also going to see this side here. So if you look at it, that side is going to look like something like this. You can see this point here. This point, you will see this side. This is what I'm talking about, this side here. You're going to see it, since that side is facing the front, so you're going to see it like this. It is going to be more like this, since that is the only side you'll be seeing. And then also for the plan, that's like the top view, but in engineering we call it the plan. So the view from the top, you're going to see this, and then you're going to see this. You're going to see this for the plan. Let me change the color. I'm coming. Let me erase this. Alright, let me change the color of the plan. So let's just use red for the plan. So look at for the plan now. You're going to see all of this. Even this hollow space, you're going to see it. This side, you're going to see it for the plan. You're going to see this side. You are going to see this side, and this other side, that same hidden, you're going to see it too. So you're going to see basically everything here. So now let me start with the plan itself. Look at it. This box here. Let me draw it. This place. You know it extends backward. Then it came back here. So that will be the first thing we're going to be drawing for the plan. This is the front. This is what the front should look like. The front view. And then the plan. If you look at the plan, so this entire box. Or probably should I dimension this first before doing anything? This one you already know. I don't need to dimension it. You already know that from here to here it is 60. And then this one we're going to be using every other dimension. So the first thing is to learn how to sketch. So and that is the only thing we'll be doing in this video. Learn how to sketch. So learn how to sketch the view. So this is the first one. Since we are not following the scale, so you can sketch it while following any kind of scale or any dimension. So the test here is to test what you can see, seeing the view. So now in the next lesson we are going to be talking about how to draw it. So we have this. So for the plan, I said let me just clean this. All right, so for the plan, I'm going to be having this first. Oh god, it is just a sketch, so the size does not really matter. Then I've drawn this outer part. Then this one, I'm going to be drawing it here. Oh god, don't mind my drawing. And then this part here, it is going to go like this, something like this. This is what it will look like. This is, mind you, this is just a sketch. So now we have this is our plan. And then where do we now wait, this we are still going to have this other side here. Let's have it as something like this. All right, we have this, and then this side here, I'm coming. Let me redraw this plan. Let me redraw the plan. So now let me try and follow the size itself. So let's say we have something like this. All right, this one here, let me draw the outer frame first. So we have the outer frame. We are like this. So we have this is what we have. Now we have something that look like it. Then this side here, it is going to go as a straight line. We can only see it slant from the front view. It is only slant from the front view, but from the plan we can only see a straight line, something that extends from this point here to this point. That is the only thing we can see. So, and this will be the plan. And also the side view, which is we are going to be looking at it from this side. So we are going to see here, let me change the color. So we are going to see this side here, this one, this, and this. We're also going to see this. You can see anything slants, anything inclined plane, it means it is having dimensions in two plane. It is having two dimensions. So this one is on both x and y axis. So I hope you are following. So now we are going to start from this down. This here, we're going to start from here. We have a box. So let me draw the box here. So for the plan, let me draw the box here. Then on top of the box we have this here. We have this, and you can remember this can only be seen as slant from the front view. Every other view it is going to be seen as a straight line. So let me draw this side. I have something like this. Then this, I have another thing on this other side that look like this. And also this one, it looks like a straight line. Let me just join it. This here, this is it. It is representing this. And this is everything you're going to be seeing here. The only thing you can do, you can see this side here, but you can't see it directly. The only thing you have to do is to represent it by a broken line. We use broken line in engineering to represent hidden details.